folks. So, we're having friends over, so we're about to go to the store to get wine and food. Can't have friends over without wine and food. Say good morning, Rob.
Good morning.
The boys are in the backyard cutting the lawn. Because my boys will be 14 years old this year. It's hard to believe that Rob and I are parents to teenagers, because Rob and I are kids ourselves. That's a big baby. That's a whole big baby. I need to get some stuff from Hobby Lobby. You gonna take me to Hobby Lobby, babes? Thank you. Thank you. Please. Today's the last day of the sale. They're closed tomorrow. Please. He's gonna take me. He just doesn't know it yet. There's a cleaning video coming you guys' way sometime next week, so look out for that. Good morning, guys, again. We are at IKEA to get the twins a dresser. But for some reason I feel like IKEA is giving away something, because you don't want to see the line to IKEA. Like, this is ridiculous. You see all them people up there? I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys. I feel like I don't want to go in here, but I need a dresser for the twins. I need your card. I don't have anything. Come on down. I need to get my mask. Oh my gosh. I seriously don't want to do this. Huh? It's not too hot, so it's doable. That's the line to IKEA. Why? Good morning, guys. So I'm back from IKEA. So the dresser that I went to IKEA for, they didn't have. It's out of stock. It doesn't come back in stock until August something. And I wasn't gonna go back to IKEA. Not doing it. I'm not gonna risk getting corona and all that. No. We stand in line all day yesterday just to get in IKEA. So I got two of the really cheap dressers, because I have a hack that I'm gonna do for it. I gotta go to Lowe's to pick up some legs, and then I have to order pulls for it, and then some paint, and then turn it into like a modern piece of furniture, even though they were like $40 a pop. So I paid like $80 for those two dressers that I'm gonna put together. I need to go to Lowe's to get some 1x12. Stop, Madison. What do you need?
Where do you want this?
Yes. And then I found this shelf yesterday. I think I'm gonna put it in one of the girls' room. $4. And then I got some curtains, some white curtains. These were $14.90, originally $30, and they are 98. 98! Like, they're really long and they're white, so I'm gonna put them in my front room over there, because I wasn't gonna put curtains over there, but since I found really long curtains, I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. So I'm gonna set up the tripod and then build these furniture and then go to Lowe's.
You got me begging pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. Where won't be lovers when we count down? Tell me when to stop, tell me.
Okay, guys, I'll be forgetting about you guys. I'll be doing stories. So if you're not following me on Instagram, this is your chance to go follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post a lot of my updates. Like vlog is like, and then into stories like in depth, in detail. So I went to Lowe's and I got the 1x12 board. I got the feet. They didn't have the mounting plate for the feet, so I have to order that off of Amazon. And they didn't have the pulls that I was looking for, so I have to order that off there too. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what I've done so far with the dresser. So this is how far I've gotten with the dresser. I haven't put the back on yet because I have to join these two together. I picked up some wood screw. So this is just a 1-inch wood screw that I'm gonna use to join this. And then I got the feet, which I'm gonna, I have a nice little surprise for these. So I got 4 of these. They were like $5 a piece. So that's $5, $10, $15, $20. And then these were either $14 or $15. But these are actually 1x12. So I cut it down already for the top and the bottom. So let's put this bad boy together.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
We are on day 2 of this project. Well, it's not really a project. It's went to Lowe's and got some paint. I wanted a quart, but they didn't have any, so they gave me the gallon at half price. So I got the tricorn black and the cabinet paint or furniture paint. Cabinet paint, yeah. I'm eating leftover salad from yesterday. So I got that. Went to Hobby Lobby because I was looking for a rug that I don't know, it was really stupid of me. I saw it and I wanted it for Jackson's room, but then I was like, and it was like 75% off, and I went back and I couldn't find it. So I'm pretty sure they sold out of it. So I got this for my laundry room. That's a project that's coming up next pretty soon. Probably in the next 2 weeks after I'm done with all the kids' room. Well, finish all the rooms that I've started so far. I started two rooms, so I'm trying to finish those up. But anyways, let's get painting the dresser.
I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I'm about to open it and see what's in here, even though I know it's the handle for my thing, so let's do this. Okay, so I ordered these handles for the dresser and moment of truth. So you see the hole there and you see the hole here. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. I had to measure this bad boy multiple times to make sure that it would fit, and look at it. It's the perfect whole size. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Perfect. Okay guys, so I need an ending for that vlog. Unfortunately, my boy's room is dirty right now and I can't show you the outcome of the dresser. I have a pimple right here. Your room is dirty right now and I can't show you the outcome of the dresser, but I promise you in a future video that I will show you the outcome of the dresser. It turned out really cute. Wasn't too hard. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I promise you I will be back vlogging and possibly lunch videos. I am excited to come back. So much changes have happened in my lives, and yeah, I'm excited for a fresh start. Let's just say that I'm excited for a fresh start, and I don't know what to tell you guys. Anyways, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.